today we're gonna share with you guys about tips on how you can help on hair breakage issue. Okay, so what is the causes of hair breakage actually? You can notice that you will have hair breakage like when you shampoo your hair, or you wash your hair, or you comb your hair, so suddenly your hair breaks. Okay, so what is the cause of this hair breakage? So normally it depends on your lifestyle or your eating habits. If you lack of nutrients or vitamins, so it may cause this hair breakage, or it may also because of you always exposed, your hair is always exposed to hair chemicals when you do coloring, bleaching, or any hair styling. Okay, there are a lot of products out there that you can use to help improve your hair problems or your hair breakage issue. But for today, I'm gonna share with you guys on how you can have a stronger hair using just 2 ingredients that you can find easily at home. So let's get started. Okay, so the 2 ingredients that we need is amla powder and then lemon juice. Okay, what we need to do is we just need to mix these 2 ingredients together, and for the amount, so it will depend on your hair. So either your hair is long or short, so you will need more if your hair is longer, or if your hair is shorter, then you may need just maybe half of the lemon juice. Then you can pour the suitable amount of the amla powder. Okay, so we can consider it as 1:1 ratio for each mixture. Alright, so first you have to wet your hair. Okay, so you will apply this mixture from the root to the tips by section. So you can you can massage through the roots about 3 to 4 times. Alright, so after 20 minutes, then we can rinse and shampoo. So that's the only steps that you can use to make your hair stronger. Okay, so as this is an internal repair, so you may not see the result instantly, and I will show with you guys how is the mannequin look. But yeah, as I mentioned, it's an internal repair, so you may have to repeat this application at least once a week and consistently in a month for you to see the difference on your hair. And yeah, so you may try it and you can see the result maybe while you comb your hair or you wash your hair after a month with consistently at least once a week. Okay, so thank you guys for watching this video, and we hope you like it, and stay tuned for more videos on home remedies that you can use to take care of your hair. Bye bye.